So I look at if they can use it in another class. First thing I look at is what is the skill that we're working on and how can they use that in another class. So for example, in English, when we're doing writing strategies, I'll reiterate to them, this is a strategy you can use in social studies and in science, and then to make sure they are applying it, I'll look at the work they do in that class, and it takes some communication with other teachers to make sure they know, hey, this is what we're doing in English, and they're working on this writing strategy, so you can use it in social studies.
Yes, we usually try to use real world examples and things that are relatable to our students when we're doing math or ELA. And a lot of times with math, we'll do hands-on activities. When we're teaching area, we have them design a bedroom, and so they have to use a big piece of grid paper and plan out the whole bedroom, and something that they can relate to, and it helps them learn the
Yeah, so we are currently in Module 5 for fractions. We've been doing a lot of work with fractions that are greater than 1. And given that a lot of the students in the classroom are English language learners, it's really helpful to see, for example, on a word problem where someone is measuring by fourths, how would that apply to cooking? If you only had a fourth measurement cup, for example, how could you use that if that was the only tool that you had?
So for our math lessons, if we are teaching about capacity or volume, obviously those things can be used in science. They often have to write how they came up with an answer. So they are explaining, which is good for writing.
And we see it all the time, especially upstairs. We see, our English teacher teaching kids how to use persuasive techniques, and then we see them use those persuasive techniques throughout the day. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. We have intervention blocks for ELA and math, and we really want kids to connect what they're learning in intervention in their ELA and writing and math blocks too. So yes, definitely something we're wanting.
Because when I learned about angles and when I went to art class and I used them to help measure and measure how I'm gonna paint it and stuff.